Happy Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to make this fold-out card. Look how cute that is. Using the Woodland Wonder stamp set, and this is on page 53 of the January through June 2021 mini catalog. And in fact, there's the instructions, if you will, the cutting measurements for this top card. So I'm going to take basic white and I cut it at 4 by 10 3/4. I'm going to bring in my paper trimmer and I'm going to score at 5 1/4 and then again at 8. Oops. There we go. Set this aside. And now I'll go ahead and bring in my Stamparatus. Now because this is a polymer stamp set, you want to make sure you have your rubber mat inside your Stamparatus. I'm going to go ahead and remove my corner piece. I'm going to place this into the corner. And I have the large area. So the score at 5 1/4 is right here, and then the 8 is down here. That way I can have the main sentiment on that final piece. So let's put the magnet on. I'm going to grab the top. And I'm going to place it about here. Pick it up with the door. And my tip is always to use your stamp set underneath the door because it's the perfect height. To add your ink to your stamp. It's a nice level surface area. All right, swing this over. Give it a nice massage. Great, bring in the chamois, clean that off. Now we're going to work on the second piece, which is the trunk with all the critters. I am going to carefully line up the tree trunk. I kind of want it to overlap a little bit. Move the magnet here. And I think we're good. If it doesn't line up, you can always use your black marker. That moved, make sure, yep, still good. Okay, ink this up. And I'm using the Tuxedo Memento Black ink. It is alcohol safe, and that's important with this card because I'm going to be using the alcohol blends. And give it a good massage. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Love it. Get the chamois out. Clean that off. And next, we are going to use the bottom, the tree trunk. But I'm only going to ink up this first inch so I can extend my tree a little bit. And I need to rotate, move the door. Need to rotate this so I can get this in. So line this up just like we did the other section. And pick it up. There we go. And again, I'm only going to ink just this top portion. Trying not to get the grass. I think we're good. And stamp, massage. Ah, perfect. Okay, now make sure you clean off the trunk section because we're going to use it again, and you don't want any stray marks. Line that up. I'm holding my breath. I'm holding my breath. I think that's it. Pick that up. Make sure that's still in the corner. And give it a massage. Ha! Love it. Perfect. Use chamois, clean that off, put that away, and now let's add some critters. I'm going to add this cute little bunny down here. Oh, I don't want a zero on the fold. Let's go a little bit lower. Ugh, it's sticking to my finger. There we go. And let's save some time. Let's add happy birthday down here. I hope you have better luck not sticking on your finger. I'm going to add this little post right here. I think we're good. What else can we add here? We can add a butterfly. Just trying to be efficient with my time here. I think we're good. Let's pick all those up. Okay, bring in the black. Yep, we're going to have a lot of coloring to do. So while I'm coloring, I'm going to speed it up so as not to bore you silly. Give it a good massage. Love it. Wipe those off. And let's add the banner that says Hip Hip Hooray. Now, go ahead and text ANNBIRCHARD, all caps, to the number 22828, and you'll receive my monthly newsletter. And it gives you tips and tricks and any specials that Stampin' Up! May have. All right, I added the butterfly, I added the banner. Some more black ink. Massage. Haha, loving it. All right, I'm gonna take this out, set this aside, and I'm just going to be using some blocks. Add this other little butterfly. Let's put them here. I'm going to add the musical notes. Give our bird something to sing. And I think, oh, we need some clouds. And for the clouds, I'm going to be using Balmy Blue. Cute. Scatter them around. One more. Yep, calling it good. Wipe that off, close this up. And now the coloring. So with all my coloring with the blends, I always start off with the light and then come back with the dark to give it the highlights or the shadows. Now down below I'll put what color I'm using. For the leaves and the grass I'll be using Old Olive, the light and dark. For the tree, I'll be using light and dark soft suede. And then for my little squirrel, he'll be using light and dark crumb cake. For the birds, I'm going to be using light and dark red. For their beaks, I'm using light saffron. For the nest, I'm using the dark saffron. For my little raccoon, I'm using light and dark smoky slate. For my owl, light and dark granite. Gray granite, that's dark, I'm going to use light. For his beak, I'm using dark pumpkin pie. For the bunny, I'm using light and dark petal pink. For the butterflies, I'm going to be using the light and dark purple posy. For this little butterfly, hello, I'm using light and dark rich raspberry. I think that will do it. I think we're good. So now you want to score or fold up at the 5 1/4 score line, then back down at the 8-inch score line. Then we're going to get some real red. And we're going to cut it at 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. Come on out. Put adhesive on the back, and I'm using Stampin' Seal. Pull and then flick towards you. And I'm just putting adhesive on the 4 by 5 1/4 section, and then line it up. There we go. And on the back, I'm adding basic white, cut at 5 1/4 by 4, and then I can write a sentiment or write a note to the birthday. And there you have it, a cute little interactive fold-out card using one stamp set. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crafting experience with a civil engineer. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share this video. I do appreciate it. Don't forget, if you place an order, there's a host code down below. If your order is less than $150, use that host code so I can send you a gift. If it's more than $150, don't use it. You will get your own rewards. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next week. Bye.